Hello everyone, my name is Aubrey Courtney, and today I will be talking a little bit about the current geopolitical risk that is happening within the cyber world. To start, let's define deterrence and understand how it can be used as a strategy. The definition of deterrence is the action of discouraging another action through either the implementation of fear or doubt. Deterrence can be implemented to discourage many different types of actions, but in our case, the United States is using this theory to show its strength in the cyber world. You may be wondering why the US is wanting to show its strength in the cyber world, and the answer is simple. The Eurasia Group broke it down into 3 reasons. 1. Hackers have grown more sophisticated. 2. Societies have become dependent on digital services. And 3. There are no rules or regulations for handling cyber conflicts. Major companies like Facebook, Google, and Under Armour have all been affected by these cyber attacks. The US has kept quiet about the issue for years and is finally shedding some light on the issue. Now, according to the Eurasia Group, there are 2 potential threats that could arise due to the United States' strategy. The first has to do with non-state actors. Non-state actors do not represent a government and have little to lose in retaliating against the US. The second has to do with state actors. State actors represent a government and will not be willing to settle, allowing the US to have the upper hand. Both will be willing to challenge the US to see who has more cyber dominance. The only recent update I could find on the matter deals with the ongoing rivalry between the US and Russia. In the article I found, author Waller goes on to explain how the US has been probing into Russia's electrical power grid since 2012. The article then goes on to explain how the US has only gotten more aggressive in these efforts and have actually placed a computer code inside of Russia's power grid. So by the year 2020, this geopolitical risk is only going to get worse. The more aggressive the US becomes, the more opportunities there are for both state and non-state actors to retaliate. The overall goal is to create rules and regulations for the cyber world to avoid more hackers. However, the deterrent strategy has a high chance of backfiring, causing more harm than good. So my thought-provoking question for you all is as follows. If you were a member of the Trump administration during this time, would you agree or disagree with the implementation of the deterrent strategy? Please explain how you view the strategy, either positively or negatively, and how it will affect this geopolitical risk in the long run. Thank you.